The Montecito debris flows occurred on January 9th, 2018 in a neighborhood in Southern California called Montecito, just south of Santa Barbara. These were hugely destructive flows out of 4 separate catchments that affected the majority of Montecito. 23 people were killed and $177 million worth of property was destroyed. An additional $7 million was spent on emergency services, and it cost $43 million to clean it up afterwards. Debris flows are especially destructive and deadly because they're both strong and very quick. The 2017 wildfire season was really terrible in Southern California. It was one of the worst in memory. This inset map is the extent of the Thomas Fire, which burned the area that produced the Montecito debris flows. And then about a month after the fire was contained, a 2-day storm hit the coast, and on the second day, likely once a lot of the soils were already saturated, there were many debris flows that came out of this catchment right here. That's where we're looking, but also down in Ojai, where the debris flow hazard was also high. This is the San Isidro range and the 4, 5, if you include the little ones, catchments that actually had outflow. This is the same inset map over here, and this is the satellite imagery. We are in sedimentary rock. The flows initiated in the upper catchment, and as they gained speed and mass, they began scouring through the channel before eventually coming into their more depositing area in the foothills of Montecito. So the sediment budget debris flows are different from landslides. There isn't really a discrete detachment plane. They pick up sediment as they move down slope. Initiation is often a combination of shallow landsliding and a process called rilling. This is rilling right here, where you have small channels of water and sediment that move downhill. Once it has enough mass, it starts picking up rocks, scouring the channel bed. And the other source of sediment is something called dry ravel, which happens when the fires ruin soil cohesion and you have dry piles of sediment just on the road waiting to move by flows like it happened in Montecito. So this was a post-fire debris flow initiated by intense rainstorm. The mass of the debris flow is derived from rilling, channel scour, and dry ravel prior to the storm. Many buildings were destroyed, but they were built on ancient debris flows and landslide deposits, suggesting that this is a natural disaster that could happen again.